What are those?
Makeup.
What in the world?
I think it's 30.
I know it's tight in there, folks. I apologize. Please watch your step.
That's cool.
Ask me in 2 hours. Those are all women's shoes.
Are your barstools for sale?
Barstools? Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably worth it.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
You're digging, huh? Let me see this boo thing.
I can't get it. It probably needs batteries.
Yeah.
The hand moves.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Nightmare fuel.
Is it spooky?
This is kind of nice. Craftsman.
A dirty napkin. Big dollar right here. 1 million.
That costs $1 for that, right?
No. You're gonna stay out late today? Or before it gets too hot?
My wife put the ad in. I don't know.
Oh.
Two.
This is his.
3, I'm not sure.
5.
Right?
How much are these things?
$1 a piece.
33.
Okay.
Change?
These over there are all Christmas.
Do you have change?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Buzz Lightyear. He's missing the front of his helmet.
Sounds strange, but don't worry.
Two scoop. It's a screen flash. How much is your ice cream?
I didn't see any.
How much is the star?
That? What? That? How much do you want for it?
$1?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep. You guys are making money. What are you saving up for?
We're saving up for a new house.
A new house?
And we're saving up. I'm saving to get trying to do this so we could just get rid of a lot of stuff
Yeah.
for our new house.
Oh,
Because
okay.
all this money is gonna go for new furniture and stuff.
Oh, awesome. That's cool. It's like a mermaid tail?
Yeah. You go in
Sleeping bag.
That's cool.
like that.
How much on the mermaid tail?
How much do you want?
You said 2?
Two? I think $2. $2?
Yeah, I do $2 for it. My daughter will absolutely love it.
Is this a Bluetooth or no?
That's a
Just
No, it's not Bluetooth.
just Bluetooth.
No. $2. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Yep. You need you saw they have a bread thing.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't need one? Okay, let's go then. Did we even look at this table?
I looked in there and so I saw this thing. You need that for your cooking.
No.
I don't know.
Okay, let's roll.
All right,
Let's see.
And I can ask my mom if she could loan you something.
Can't beat that.
No, you can't. Especially for some of the name brand.
Exactly, yeah. Would you do 15 on the 2 centsies? Instead of 20?
You're asking $10 a piece on the centsies. Would you do both of them for 15? You good? Yeah. We're good, yes.
Yeah, okay.
If you want it, it's yours.
You see this though?
No, what is it?
My daughter said
One of those little massage guns.
What are they asking?
I can't really read that. Either 6 or 10.
15.
Or 15. Okay, I guess a 1 and a 5 looks like a 6.
I wrote that.
Yeah, here, let me see it. Let's see what it feels like on my painful lower back right now.
It's got multiple different settings.
Yeah, it's like you push it again. I want it to be more powerful. It's too weak for me. Oh yeah, the battery could be dead. Yeah, it's pretty cool though.
But you got that one for deep muscle, for back and spine. There's chargers in there. Which one? You have to get a seat.
You're on the hook now, Dad.
So,
Hi, how
how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Everything out here is not really priced, so just make an offer and then there's tons of stuff inside.
Okay, cool.
Sure.
Those are cool old ornaments. That's cute. What in the world? Look at that. Interesting.
I mean, adorable.
It is adorable. A bunch of interesting plush. What do you think on your plush here?
Oh, how many of them you want?
How much for the box full?
Let's take a look. Whole box? How's
Yeah.
10?
$10?
Yeah.
Throwing these guys.
Sure.
Look at that one.
You got
Okay,
it.
$10. I'll do it. And then I'll just leave it out here while I go inside. Is that cool?
Yeah,
Would you do 10 on that box of ornaments too?
sure.
So then you take
We'll
20?
keep it simple.
Okay. I really love these two boxes that I just bought. One was full of ornaments, Winnie the Pooh, Mickey and Minnie Mouse, just a lot of vintage ornaments that were just fun. There was even some Beanie Baby ornaments, some mini Beanie Babies, all types of fun stuff for $10. I've already sold the majority of that either on Whatnot or eBay. The Beanie Babies I lotted up and sold in 2 different lots, one for $10, one for $15. And they're not big Beanie Babies. They're mini Beanie Babies, which are like holiday themed, and they end up doing a little bit better than normal Beanie Babies. None of them are worth tons, but for $10 for the box, I knew it would be good. The rest of the ornament stuff, I probably got another $50 from. But the plush was the real killer buy. I showed you those 2 comps that have sold for like $65, but there was this super rare Disney Tailspin plush. Remember the show Tailspin? This actually has the tag. It's got the applause up there. This thing has sold comps for around $90 just for this one plush. And then the other one is this, what is it? Song of the South fox from, like, you know, the Briar Rabbit and all that. And this one sells for around $50. So just these 2 plush are almost $150. Already sold $60. So well into the 200s. A lot of the other stuff in there I sold on Whatnot, listed on eBay. I would say altogether that plush box was about $300 to $350 in value. Really cool buy. Glad I grabbed it. Go look inside. What is it? Oh, it's a cleaning kit, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Like it. Imstel. Interesting, it's like foam. I kind of like that it's hard to break. Maybe we'll go on it. $2 though. Revereware. Kevin's favorite. Alright, let's see. Prices are higher out here. Right in here. Look at these. Cookie jars. That's cool. Is this the fox you were referring to?
Yeah, a bunch of them though.
Yeah. Whoa, cool. Tally ho ho. $80.
It's a little more. The headless rooster.
He's shopping for the plush. I'll get his leftovers. So as soon as we went inside, we saw much higher prices. The plush on this bed, for example, were marked like $20, $25. A lot of them. As you saw in the kitchen, the prices were higher. So, you know, it got a little tougher, but we still found some cool stuff. Just watch. Quack, quack. There's a couple here. Bean sprouts. Chip. What are those? This is a razor. What in the world?
It's not open. This I think is 30.
How much is this?
That, I don't know. There's no prices.
$1, hopefully. This is 30.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, it's good you're here. I'm buying $1 plush. Oh, that's your
There's
fault.
more after that.
All right, maybe just we should get the guy outside to price it. Kibbles and bits, kibbles and bits. I'm gonna get some kibbles and bits. Remember that? Into M&M world. This guy's going fishing. Bean sprouts. Grab a jumbuck. Okay. It's got the tag on it. Look at this. Vintage soap. Look at that. $20 for the soap. Any more soap in here? Yep. Found some $20 soap.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you find? What's
like
that one?
Maybe $15.
Okay.
But
I wish I'd brought a bag or something.
there's hard.
Purina, like. It's cool because it's like old, random advertising stuff. Some scissors. Hoffritz, Italy. For $1. Can always use a pair of scissors. Once I realized we were definitely buying stuff inside, especially after Tina's $150 makeup find, that little compact, it sold for $150 the day I listed it. You know, I just kind of went ham on some of these plush. It was a dollar bin, and a lot of them were branded, kind of vintage advertising stuff like Purina, and I think I got a Milk-Bone one. I actually put those on Whatnot. They had decent value on eBay, like, you know, $8 to $12 a piece. I ended up putting them on Whatnot, and they did really well on Whatnot too. I think I got right around eBay value on all of them. So those went really well, and they were fun to sell.
Oh,
I don't know if this stuff's any good.
he's a French bulldog.
Going coastal.
Sounds like it has a battery.
No.
I mean, she might tear it up.
It seemed like a dog toy.
It does, but I don't know the battery. That's
Trudy. $10. These are the expensive plush.
This one's $5.
Yeah. $16.99.
He's cute. I like Pirate.
15.
Yeah.
And they're like 10 a piece.
This one's $5.
Yeah. At $1 a piece. Definitely worth buying. Boston Terrier. Let's try to get the Milk-Bone one. You already checked the bathroom? Wow, that's cool. Avon bottles. $20. This one. Santa, please throw me a bone. Does it work? Yeah. Yeah, it's quite a collection.
They're like Christmas toe.
Old Crow. Wow, that's cool.
Nothing comes up.
These big ones are awesome. Bud Ice. Yeah, I mean, it's cool stuff. I don't know. Is there another room? This room's too expensive.
I do like that.
I'm too cheap for this room.
Antiques. What do you think?
And I think this was his for a long, long time. And I think
Can't
that
wait to
this
take care
isn't
of
very
stuff.
open concept.
Oh, like you can't see who's out there.
That's cool.
Right.
You think they'll sell it?
Maybe
Yes,
that's
I
nice.
think so.
Just put it
Yeah,
over there.
this one's $250. And then the vast majority of this,
This is $20.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is maybe when they bought it, but this is a collectible.
No, I don't need it. I just thought it was $2.50.
Yeah, it'll be 50.
These were the vast majority of my stuff was out of your dollar boxes.
Actually, you know what? If you want it.
Oh, I don't. No,
Yeah,
no. I'm good. That's fine.
Yeah.
I'll let you sell it for more. But yeah, these are all in dollar boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dollar box. $17, $18. Did you get this calculator? Oh, we'll put that back. I don't know where that came from. 21. These were in a. What was the box in the bathroom? There was a box in the bathroom with
That's
that.
okay.
22, 23, 24,
25.
25, and then this.
25.
25. Okay.
But then he had boxes outside.
I already paid the guy outside
did?
for those. Yeah.
So total with tax is 32.
Okay. $7 in tax?
No. It was $5 for the utensils and 25 for the other. Oh, you counted the whole thing.
Yeah, all of it was 25.
Oh, okay. So it'll be 20.
Yeah. 25 plus tax. It should be like 27 or something.
20 for the other ones and utensils 5, so 26.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, got it. Can I bring this basket back to you?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
There's bags
Unless you have
in
a box or a bag.
bags
Okay.
in there, yeah.
Cool.
Get your whisk. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Let's go through the garage so I can get my stuff out there.
I'll take it myself.
Look at these fish bags, Tina. You got a
Does it smell
whale,
fishy?
a fish.
Does it smell fishy?
I don't think so.
I'll have to mic you and walk.
Hey, a fox.
You know what it says yet?
Can you see these little placemats? Like strawberries? They're cool. My mom would like those placemats. How much is this saw?
What do you give me?
Oh, I don't know. $3?
I'll do that.
Would you do 50 cents on this guy?
Just
I happen to have
you're
2
good.
quarters.
3 boxes.
Okay. The Cowicks. They had quite a collection, huh?
Oh my God, it's crazy.
And this isn't the first day even?
No, I think it was 2 weekends prior to this.
Oh my gosh.
Like a month back or
$3.
something. I know,
That's
right?
wild. Well, it just shows that it's all worthless garbage. Oh, she really left me with everything. That's fine. All right.
Left you with all of it?
How dare she? Well, she had some other stuff. All right.
gotcha.
Thank
Have a
you,
great
sir.
day.
Yep, you too. Awesome sales, awesome profits. We made hundreds today. Tina was the MVP, my wife Tina, with that incredible makeup score. Don't ignore those at garage sale, guys. Make sure you subscribe for more. Hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.